how to enable or disable full screen scrolling in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the app list, open up the gallery app. Now in here, you want to go back to your gallery homepage and then tap on the menu button. From the pop-up menu, tap on settings. Then in gallery settings, we go down to the viewing section and tap on full screen scrolling. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when this is turned on, you can see if I go back to my gallery, when I scroll, it will display the whole screen in full screen. Here, if I turn off full screen scrolling, you can see when I scroll, the navigation bar at the bottom and the status bar at the top stay intact. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.